Did you find any?
I found a few. I had me some coffee back there too.
Yeah. Cool.
Yep, I actually found this bag and
Back here?
yeah, and then right behind it, I went to pick it up and I turned around. I was like, oh shoot, there's mushrooms.
Cool.
So yeah, they're starting to come up pretty good.
Yeah. I figure once we get some rain and
Oh yeah, then
might pop them up.
Yeah, they'll really pop up. Cause I mean, I haven't found anything really bigger than that all year.
Yeah.
I don't know where the giant ones are.
Yeah.
That's what I want to find.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too. That guy that come out had about maybe a dozen. Maybe a dozen. But I still think it's dry. Dry. I didn't bring my fucking book either. Oh, shoot. Better watch what I'm saying. I forgot I was on videotaping. Oh, well. That lady that just come out, she had about probably a dozen too. I was going to bring my book I've been reading to work with me today. Sitting here laying right on my desk, and I forgot the dang thing. That's what I did yesterday. I left to go to the park yesterday, and forgot my dang book. I should just get it and leave it in the car. Oh well. This is the well-trodden path that two of them came out of. Although you can just take off. You can just take off right walking through the woods. Find them. There's probably a spot right up in there somewhere that's got the big large ones like the guy was saying. But everybody goes a different direction. You never know. I had some time to kill before I went to work, so Now this plant right there, those ones right there that look like umbrellas, those are the May apple plants that an old neighbor told me when I lived at High Lake. Yeah, if you find the May apple plants, mushrooms grow around them. But the only ones that I found around those were the dog pecker ones, they call them. They're a little bit different than the morels, but not as, it don't have as, has a different cap on it. There's just not much of it there. But it is edible though, so I've ate them before. I gotta be to work at 3, so got me a coffee and come here and kill some time. Looks like someone left a walking stick there. That's a tree that fell over. It looks like a walking stick. That or it's a vine. I don't know. It's hard to say. I need to come back out here on my day off. Go mushrooming myself. I'd go walking right up through there. You know? Where am I looking at? Where's that stick there at? Oh, that's just that little one right there. Okay. Okay. I see where I'm looking at now. Sometimes it's hard to distinguish what you're looking at. And you got it zoomed in and it's far away. That tree there is like probably 30 feet away from where I sit. I was showing a friend of mine a picture I took the other night, Monday night, when I went off to go to work. And there was, I think it was a full moon, but it looked good, so I snapped a picture of it. And then in the picture, I was standing on my front porch. I got the tree that's in my yard in the picture. And around the tree, you could see where is that at? Oh, right there, okay. In the tree, you could see all kinds of faces. And one of the faces on the far left of the shot that I got is like looked like a man with had glasses on. It was weird. Well, I showed my friend, I was texting today, and she's like, "Oh my God, that's creepy." I said, "Yeah, it is creepy. It can be creepy, but they don't hurt. They won't bother you or nothing." Now that there's kind of foggy, blurry like. Wonder why that is. Okay. I'm gonna go down in here. I was looking at this thing on the internet the other day about dandelions. Dandelions, the dandelion root is good for drinking, eating, making tea probably, but the dandelion root is healthy to drink. It's healthy for you. And the dandelion plant you can eat on your salad, the leaves. Then I think the flowers can be brewed into a tea. But it's like some plants that have medicinal properties that can actually help people with disease and whatnot, are right there in our yards. But yet they got chemicals out there that want to kill it. People say, "Oh, we don't want dandelions in my yard. It looks bad." Whatever reason, they don't want them in there. Here they are. Here it is. It's a natural kind of. It's got medicinal properties to it. If that's what the correct thing I want to say, I'm not sure, but I mean, if it's going to help you, why would you want to kill it? But that's just something that we've been taught over time. Kill the dandelions. They make your yard look crappy. Heck, when in reality they could be beneficial to you and helpful, There are people want to kill it, put chemicals on it and kill it and stuff. Well, just to let you know where I'm at today. Just had some time to kill. Detering Nature Preserve. It's an acres land trust, open dawn to dusk. It's right here in town. Well, I got this. This is about a 14-minute video, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down, and I gotta get on to work. So once I have another day off, I'll get back out in the woods and walk around, and I don't know if I'll do video while I'm walking or just take pictures. But y'all have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next one.